control system, if you like, and this is a port thruster down at the bottom. This is the starboard control system, starboard thruster down at the bottom. There's a centre thruster, and it's fed by way of two diodes, nice big beefy diodes, because I don't want them acting like fuses, as would have been the case in that other thing. So this is the two distribution boards, and two of these, one is just to disconnect the charger from the battery, and that's because these chargers, the battery will backfeed the controls for the charger and eventually deplete it, so I needed a way of just disconnecting that. It's a 32 amp supply for the from the battery that's got to supply the fault current when we put a fault at this point. So you can see quite clearly that there's the split, but that's your common point there, so that's your fault propagation path from one side to the other. And the way I'm going to introduce the fault is there's a 40 amp DC breaker at this point, which is just going to put a short across that motor effectively. So, shall we see what happens? So, this light here says that there's now power to this motor starter, and that thruster is ready to start. When I turn this on, the centre thruster starts up. It doesn't have control gear because I couldn't be arsed replicating all this down there. Maybe in the next version. The Mark is the Mark 1. So, working our way along, we turn on the power to this side and then flip this up. So, starboard thruster ready to start. And that's just the dual feed. So now we've got the two supplies on here. So I can start the port thruster. I can start the starboard thruster. Oh, what an ominous text message just came in right at that moment. That's spooky. So that's the vessel as it would be operating on DP. Everything should be fine. If I were to turn off or fail one side, I'd lose the port side, but my worst case failure design intent's okay, so I've got them running. Restart that thruster. Same, if I had a fault on this side, I'm only losing the starboard thruster. You turn it back on. But if I had a fault here, which I'm going to introduce here, then let's see what happens. We'll lose a whole lot. Now count 8 seconds. So you see, it cleared the fault, but unfortunately, all your thrusters have stopped. Ready to start has come back onto those two thrusters, but they're still dead. I have to start them manually. So you saw that the voltage dip on this one actually defeated the whole redundancy concept. Now I think what Bolshoi is going to do now is he's going to hook up